today we'll see how to create the login view without any images or nothing, no assets we need. Only one image I will take for simple, some logo type of image we can use, and some text and all these things we will create it. So let's start the basic coding now. So first I need to create a two variables, which is a type of state. Accessor should be private, where email. Okay, we can say fine. Now similarly we can use for password as well. Looks fine. So now we need to think by seeing the image what should be the stack, so vertical or horizontal, whatever we need. So we can check. So these two are in a vertical stack, and these two again are into a vertical stack, fine, and one button is there. So let's see how to create this view. So I will start with a vertical stack. This is a very beautiful feature of Swiftui actually. It's a declarative syntax, so we can make use of these things. So text we can say should be a coding shots. It's fine. Now some modifiers we can use. Can say dot large title will be fine for me, and foreground color, that is always white, looks fine. And what else we can add? Padding. Okay, padding should be there. Okay, inside that now we need top and bottom, so we can create an array of that. Bottom comma top, we can say, looks fine. And one constant also we can give, saying 40 will be fine. Looks fine. Now shadow also, these kind of, yeah, shadow is there, right? 1 second, let me check. Shadow is also there, fine, looks fine. So we can say shadow to 10, we can approximate. We can change it after, if not looking fine, we can change or modify according to our calls. So y should be 10. Okay, now second was one image we can use. Name should be, I think I forgot the name, so I have one image of that logo, image 1 we can use. So we can say image 1 should be resizable, yes. Should be set at some frame, correct. So we can say width should be, I think 250 will be fine as of now. And height also we can do it, so should be 250, looks fine. Similarly we can say some more modified clip shape we can use. Type of circle I am planning to do, that is as per the designs. Looks fine. Let me align this properly, otherwise it's confusion. And overlay also we can use. Overlay, which one we need to use? Circle alignment also we need, so we can say basic one we can use. This one is fine for me, so I will say that is a circle overlay. Okay, and with a stroke we can add. These are the already predefined properties, we can say methods, which we are using. So stroke color we can set color dot white, and one more we can set line width, that is 4 will be okay for me. Okay, then shadow also we can add for this as well. So but radius we need to define, right? So it should be 10, and x coordinate should be 20 will be fine, and y should be 10. We will change it if it is not liking and it's look bad, so we can change it afterwards. So let me create the basic part and then we can do it. So bottom, and one constant I'm planning to give, that is 50 will be fine, yeah. So let me assign it properly so it looks fine. Okay, so what it is saying, image we edit, so no error, right? Why then? It is, my Xcode is also sometimes buggy. Okay, so what we added, now we can check the image. So we have added this 2 parameters, so elements we added. So I am planning to create one more stack which contain these two, having some leading, padding, and corner radius, something else. So let's see, we can create one more stack. Okay, okay, so inside this only we can add some modifiers, saying alignment. So we can say leading, fine. Spacing we need, yeah, and content we not needed now, so we can remove this. Now start the, we can set text field, fine, and the value of the text field should be email. and the text should be that we created email state property, so we can say self dot dollar email. Fine, looks fine. So these properties, you can see how what is a state and all observable properties, so you can see in my previous sessions, so it's very easy. And we can say background color. So that is color. Actually we can set it custom colors also, so that I will tell you. Let me complete this part first. So I will tell you how to create the custom colors as well. So let me complete first this, and then we'll create one more class. So yeah, where are we? And we have completed this text field and all this. So one corner radius also was there. Why it is not coming? Radius not coming. Why? I don't know why. Might be my Xcode is not working well. So after that, one shadow also we can add. Hey man, come on, yeah, shadow. You want me to write everything? Radius. See, it's coming, but sometimes it is coming. And shadow, and then we can coordinate also x and y. X should be 20 and y should be 10. Will be fine for us. Looks fine, right? So let me align it properly. What it is saying, dot background should be dot background should be color dot. Okay, so you want that color also here. Looks fine. Yeah. Looks fine. So we have did all the basic thing. Now what we can do? What happened? Okay, so change it according to you. No problem. It's depend actually in Xcode. So let me create the second one, which is a secure text field. Okay, it is for password basically. We can say password. Okay, and comma text should be similarly self dot dollar password. Looks fine. Now similarly we can add some padding. Why I'm writing this? I will copy paste it, right? Mostly it will be similar. Select this, align this properly. Looks fine. And shadow etc we have given. Now last but not the least, we'll add the padding for this vertical stack. So Xcode is not supporting me very good nowadays, so let me type it whole code leading, and one more we can add trailing. Okay, trailing will be fine. So, and some constant value should be 27.5 or 8 or something like that. So looks cool. Let me try to clean this actually. So I don't know why this is crying. Sometimes this is also very irritating. Okay, fine. Let me build this. Now it should not create any problem. Cannot convert the float value. So I was giving the float value only, was so fast. Yeah, fast. Actually, why it is asking this? Shadow I given that. It's correct only, right? 40 and everything I given. I think we will fix it afterwards. Let me complete this because it's working fine. So once I will complete the code, then we can fix it, all these things. So let me try with the completion code of that. Now what else? We need to create one button. Action should be, let it be null, and nothing action we are planning to give as of now. And text text we can say fine, not field actually, and it should be sign in. Fine. Now some modifiers we can add, that is some font we can add, having some headline we can say, and foreground color as usual it should be white for me. Is there, right? It's coming fast. And similarly we can add some padding also. Some constant is not required inside that. We can say some frame. Okay, so frame we can say width should be 300 looks fine, and height not too much, actually we can say 50 will be okay for me. Fine. And dot background color also we can set, which is simple one, green color will be fine. Color dot green. Okay, and corner radius. Okay, so we can give some float value, and last but not the least we can say shadow also will work very beautifully. So we can say radius, not corner radius, actually it should be radius. So we can say 10.0, and x and y should be same. X y should be same, it should be 10. Looks fine. And last but not least, padding also we can add with some constant plus leading space will be the top actually, and 50 will be fine for me. Looks fine. Now we can add some spacer modifier in that, and last but not the least we need to create one horizontal stack, and let me see the content of that. So that we need to add one sign up button and one text we need to it. So this will be the text and one will be a sign up button. So let me create this fast. So text, not field, actually text, and we can say don't have an account. Fine. And I think no modifier required, simple one text. So one button we can add. Okay, so guys you can see it's no constant, nothing required as of now. So Swiftui is a very beautiful language and you can play around with this. And for inside this we need to put some text. No action I am giving as of now. So let me, text should be fine, and one we can add foreground color actually, so that will be black, will be fine for us. So let me align it properly. Okay, so looks fine. And what we can do now, the background we need to place of this vertical stack. So I am planning to use the linear gradient. So for that actually we can use background color. Oh man, come on man, what is the problem? My Xcode is stuck actually. Okay, so it's fine, right? Actually it's fine, looks fine. So I think we can add background color also, but why it is not coming? Actually it should come. Give me some suggestions, right? Okay, so let me write it again. So linear, and now it's coming. See, sometime my Xcode is also playing with me. Gradient. Okay, now we need to set here. So we can say gradient. Okay, and some colors we need to pass it out. We can say colors. Now array of colors we need to say. So we can say it's look, when we see the design it will say purple, blue will be fine for us, right? So let's see it's there or not. So we can say dot purple is there. Okay, very good. And dot blue is also there. Looks fine, right? Starting point will be the top and end point should be the bottom, obviously, right? Alright, and last but not the least we can add one more property called dot edge. Edge is there, right? Dot edge is not there, it should be the right edge is there, right? And we can say ignore all the safe area, so we can say all. Looks fine. Let me try. It's completed now, right? Why it is crying, so we will fix it now. But last I was planning to show you some. Okay, afterwards we'll see. So first let me clean this and let me try to build this. Okay, so it will say cannot convert the double to the CG float. So we can say, okay, if it is allowing us, so we can change it. Let's see. Still it is crying, cannot convert a double. actually it won't work. I think it will cry like anything, so let me fix this. Radius should be 10.0, x should be 20, and y should be 10. Let me run this. Oh man, come on, yeah, shadow. Let me comment this, yeah, otherwise it will screw me. What exactly it is saying? See, we have added the text also, it's fine. Okay. Correct only, right? Top and bottom is there, right? So padding I added. We are seeing actually my Xcode is little older, so chances are there it won't work completely. Okay, now actually padding won't support this array as of now. So what I'm planning to do, let me clean this and see. Okay, looks fine, only one simple. Okay, foreground color also we have set it there, so let me align it properly. Color dot white. So then padding we added with the array, even top and bottom, and looks fine. Okay, it should look fine only, so let me comment this also. Let me run, at least we can see something happen. Oh my god, seriously. Okay, I think it should work. Let me uncomment this again and clean this. Command Shift key, we can clean this and we'll try to run. Oh, finally it's running. So let's see how the UI looks. So something will be worked for us. Super. Looks fine, right? So how beautiful it is looking. So actually black color, in place of black color we can give white color actually. And let's see how the UI looking. So it's very easy actually, but sometimes Xcode might be screw you, so you need to play around with the Xcode as well. I think it should work now. So oh, super beautiful. So we can see the design of ours which we're trying to get it. So this is the design and this is the actual UI. So you can see now this email password will work very beautifully. So guys, hope you guys understood the video, and please hit the like button and subscribe button for more updates. And yeah, thanks for watching.